Right, this is about the fuel I'm using. This one here, I recommend. That came from B&M Home Store. Then we come down over here, Home Bargains, another good fuel to use. And then we come down here. This is the other one I'm using at the moment. I'd recommend. This one is from Pets at Home, as you can see. The one that I don't recommend is this one over here. I've tried this one and it causes blocking up on the stove. Now the other ones don't block, so you can see where I've been using them. Look, there's another one there. Look. This is what I'm using, and these are all good, and they're giving me excellent temperatures. So if you want high temperatures, this is what you use, and this is pushing me up around the 600 to 800 degrees. That one there, unfortunately, blocks. It's the best price of all of them, but it blocks up the basket. It doesn't give me high temperatures. These, I'm getting more heat per what I'm paying for. So, and this is what I used. This is the pellets actually in the stove. Right, two of these, which is those two there, that lasts. Each one of them is about an hour. An hour and 2.25 hours for both of them. So if you say an hour each, so that's the amount of pellets I'm burning in an hour. But the door is closed down. This is the door. So I have got, when the door's in, I've got a 12mm gap. In other words, for those in old money, 1/2 inch. So we come down, drop it in. Get in. Right. Now, there it is in. Look, you can see. Beautiful. It's burning nicely. Come round to the slot. You will see a little bit of yellow flame to start with, but that does eventually clear. So there we are. Get down in that slot. So that's it burning now. That will take one of those scoops an hour. So I think that's pretty good. That's what I found. Burns quite nicely. Where are we? Temperature gauge. Here we go. Let's get the temperature gauge. Wandering around a bit, but still. Right. Right. Go down to the stove. There we are. You can see we're at around about 300. That's pretty good. And that's shut right down the stove. So if I open it right up, it will come up obviously a bit higher than that. And this is with the smaller basket that I've put on. So, not bad. This is just a little quickie for you. The fuel I'm using, how it's working, seems to work quite well for me. Don't forget, everybody's setup is slightly different. So, the gap that you might have in the door will be different from mine. But that's burning in this particular stove at that temperature. So there we are, a quick roundup. There's the fuel that we're using. So these are all good. I would recommend those. So it's B&M, Pets at Home, and Home Bargains. I recommend any of those fuels. That one was there from Pets at Home. It's very good for what it's meant for cats, and it's not for what we want to do, but for what I'm doing, these other ones are perfect. This is Dave signing off. I hope this all helps you out. We'll catch you on the flip side. Don't forget the bits at the bottom. Thumbs up, thumbs down, or give me a nice what was it? Thumbs up, thumbs down, and don't forget to subscribe. We will have more later. Oh, it's all good fun. Come on, you've got to enjoy doing this, because if you don't, you're going to make a right muck of it. We'll catch you on the flip side. Bye to bye.